Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be going over a couple of reasons why Orsted stock is falling right now. I have kind of tried myself to find the answer to this question, but I've had kind of a hard time doing it. So now I thought you and me could go on a little adventure and kind of see what we can find on the internet about why Orsted stock is going down. I have some things, some insider information. But I thought maybe a lot of people out there had the same question as me. So I found some articles. Some of them are like made 2 months ago or 1 month ago. That is kind of a while back, but still that was also when they began to fall. So maybe there will be some valuable information that we can harvest from the depth of these articles. So we are just going to jump right into Google and see what we can find about this. So this article: Denmark's Orsted shares drop after it forecast lower wind speeds. Alright, and also let's just take a look at the stock so we can kind of determine how much it has actually fallen. It has fallen by a very lot, but I haven't actually seen. So I actually owned the stock right here when it was at its peak, and it has went down by 27.5% almost. Oh wow! And I bought it I probably bought it right here or something. So I've lost like 12%. Not too good. So let's see what we can do to kind of determine why this is going down. So shares in offshore wind farm developer Orsted fell sharply in early trading on Wednesday after it said a return to more normal wind speeds this year would hit operating profits. The Danish company on Tuesday lifted its operating profit guidance for 2020, but said it expected a lower figure this year due to reduced wind speeds and higher project costs. So I can tell you, Orsted is they are making crazy things right now. They are building this new wind farm. Orsted's new wind farm near England. So if we just go in here and see, here you can see, learn about our UK operational offshore wind farms. So here, I don't know if you can see this, it's kind of a bad picture, but they have wind farms all over England. Okay, look at this, guys. Hornsea Tree will be located in this is a power plant with offshore windmills that they are making right now. North Sea, approximately 121 kilometers off the Norfolk coast. What just happened? The farm will be capable of generating at least 2,400 megawatts of green electricity, enough to meet the average daily needs of over 2 million homes. That is crazy. Imagine if there's 3 people in one home. That is absolutely wow. That is a lot of people. That this one farm could probably power Denmark, the whole Rome of Denmark, and even more than that as well. And so that is a farm that is what learn about in development. So that is, this farm is apparently in development. We can take a look at this farm. How much can it generate? They don't say anything about that in that one. All right. Yeah, that was just a quick little side note, or what you call it. Yeah, but they are definitely building a lot of things. So that is also why they are probably blowing a lot of money on. Probably, of course, they're blowing a lot of money on these farms, but that is also kind of a long-term investment. If I should give a bet on buying Orsted, don't listen to me, okay? But I have seen forecast revenue for Orsted, and it goes down here in 2021. And then it starts to go back up slowly in 2022, and then by like 2023 or 2024, it has recovered to the stage where it were before. Not before Christmas, but New Year, and that is of course the revenue. So that is not necessarily the stock price, but I expect that is a combination of us being locked down, and they don't have as much capital to do with, because they are not getting as many orders, of course, here in these crazy times. And also they are blowing a lot of capital on building these things. I don't know if you know it, but right now Denmark is building an power island. It's like an island located in the North Sea. It will cost in dollars, I think it was 54 billion dollars. Yeah, that was how much it cost. It will cost to build that. It will take a couple of years. I think it was 5 or 10 years for it to be done, but they will start to make these islands all around. The North Sea is like, Denmark is here. I don't know. I'll put up a map and show you where it will be located, and they will start to make these islands. And the reasoning behind that is that they can now be a hub for the power generated by the offshore windmills. So all these farms, they can be built around these islands, and then the power can be located. The power can be assembled right on the island, and then put to Finland and sent out to Finland and Deutschland. Finland and Germany, and Germany, and where the power is needed, of course. But let's continue with the article right here before we get on too much of a sidetrack. With the recent share price increases, expectation for future earnings growth and project wins are high. Sydbank, which is a Danish bank, analyst Per Fogh said in a note, calling the 2021 outlook disappointing. Orsted's share price, which hit a record last week, were down 8.6%. Orsted said on Tuesday it expected last year's operating profits to come out in 18 billion Danish crowns, falling to between 15 and 16 billion crowns this year, including new partnership agreements. Yeah, we didn't get too much information on this I just want to see when it is made, because why are all these articles made like a couple months ago? That is kind of weird. Why isn't there a new one? Okay, here's maybe something. The claim relates to British offshore. No. Shares in energy group Orsted fell more than 4% on Wednesday after the Danish authors claimed 6.6 billion Danish crowns in tax relating to the development of two British wind farms. Maybe that could be some of the wind farms that we just read about before. The claim relates to British offshore wind farms Volney Extension and Hornsea 1 in the tax year 2015 and 2016. Could set a dangerous precedent. Dangerous precedent. Alright, analyst said. Orsted said late on Tuesday the Danish tax authority has claimed of 5.1 billion crowns plus interest totaling 1.5 billion crowns to account for the full future value of the two wind farms, even though they were developed, owned and operated by British subsidiaries and are already taxed in the US and the UK. Orsted, the world's biggest developer of offshore wind farms, said it will be apparel decision. The Danish tax agency decision. The Danish tax agency's decision is clearly based on a misconception of the risk and value creation in Orsted's business model for developing, constructing and operating offshore wind farms. If the Danish tax agency were to finally go ahead with the taxation and be upheld on appeal, it sets a dangerous I'm sorry. I'm a Dane, okay, so I don't know if this is oh, it's oh, yeah, you know what it is. I know what it is now. I just don't know how to pronounce it. The same treatment could apply to most of the UK and German farms. Analysts at Jeffering said the claim was highly unusual, but Orsted should be able to resolve it through litigation or alright. Well, yeah. I'm sorry if this video didn't help you out too much, but yeah, I learned a couple things. I hope you learned something too, and if you didn't, please give please give the video a thumbs down, because I kind of already know that this video probably wasn't the best idea, because I couldn't really find much information about it myself. But yeah, I had a great time with you guys. Yeah, and I hope that I hope to see you in my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.